Hello, welcome back to campustech. Today I have some Google Pixel 7a for screen replacement on my desk. So it's broken from the corner, so I need the plier tool. So just put the plier tool on the bottom and we can easily lift it up, and it's you can see it's actually now detaching from the body. It has a glue layer underneath that, which is adhesive tape actually, and this bottom LCD and the top glass both are together, but you can easily remove the top glass in this model. And this is a screen, so this is a crunchy screen with the glass, so be careful with your hands. And what I'll do, I'll just rip this off, and when I remove this, you'll see on the bottom it has only one screw. So this is one of the easiest screen also. So look at this, we need that start thing. So just open that thing. Only one screw you need to open, and disconnect, take out that metal plate, and this is the only metal plate on the underneath the screen. So just remove from the body. So that's all you need to do for taking out the screen, and you'll see this is only one piece. So let's bring the new screen. This is a new screen. Make sure there is a sensor of the finger scanner. After this, make sure there is a sensor on the screen. So on my screen it has, so just remove the tape and properly remove all unnecessary stuff from the screen. And now it's time to connect to the motherboard. So let's connect it, and it is, you can it's kind of a little blurry, but I think you can see because of autofocus, I think. So anyway, so this is connecting on the body. It's very easy. So I'm just making sure everything is connected properly, and here we go. So just put this plate back and screw it, and here we go. After turning on, is make sure it has display. So I just put the adhesive tape on the side, so because this is very thin adhesive tape, so maybe it will out. So sometime on this screen you have to recalibrate finger sensor. So make sure the touch is working before closing, and ask customer to recalibrate the finger sensor. Let's align properly on from the top and the bottom, and that's it. That's easy repair, I think. And if you like that video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. And as you see, the back is okay and this phone is ready to go. Thank you very much.